So for this example, we have that if height is represented by x in inches and y represents weight in pounds, then the range of healthy weights for various people between the ages of 19 and 34 can be modeled by the inequalities 4.9x minus y is greater than or equal to 165, and 3.7x minus y is at most 125, where we want to graph the healthy range of heights and weights, then show that a person who is 70 inches tall and 170 pounds is within that range, as well as a person who is 66 inches tall and 130 pounds will be there too. So for this, our last example, we could very easily, like we've talked about before, flop those things into the slope intercept. Get those names wrong even after all this practice. But we can put it into that form to be able to get the graphs here fairly easily for that first idea, where we're going to be a little bit more restrictive than normal here, because again, this is a real world context where we're looking at people between those ages and those reasonable heights. In there, we're only going up to a height of 6'6". You don't get many beyond that. And we're taking heights from 5 feet and up, so the incredibly short, I guess, might not be quite well represented on this. But here we have our graph with our lines and the region between them like so. And we can see those 2 points, A and B, are going to be in that region. But just to be sure, if we want to do that second part a little bit more carefully, we can plug in our values and check that both fit the given conditions. That for the first point, 70, 170, we would have something like 4.9 times 70 minus 170 is equal to 173, which is definitely above 165, and therefore satisfies the first part. Then for the second, we would have, not 4.9 for that, that is a 3.7 times 70 minus 170 again, is equal here to 89, which is also at most, or well, it's less than, but it's definitely at most 125. And then similarly for our second point, we can do basically the same thing, where we would have 4.9 times 66 minus 130, because the person there was said to be 5'2" and 130 pounds there. That would give us a value of 193.4, which is, again, bigger than 165. And similarly, if we take that into the 3.7 form, 3.7, 66, 130 will here be equal to 114.2, which is closer to 125, but still less. So both points will fit, and we have our pictures fitting this pair of points like so. Geez, I can't talk anymore. It's been a long semester, everyone, but this is it. So, thank you to everyone for giving me your time this semester. Thank you for sticking with us all the way through this felt like very long semester here. It's been a very full one. It's been a good semester. It's been a pleasure working with you, at the very least most of you. In any case, good luck with your exams. Good luck on whatever other assignments you may have over our last few weeks, not just in my class, but in all of your classes this semester. And when you're done, have a good break, everyone. I'll see you around.